Are you looking to add a touch of richness to your wardrobe? Burgundy might be your new best friend, but you're unsure how to style it? Whether you're new to this color or looking to elevate pieces you already own, keep watching until the end of the video, where you can find my updated edit of the best styling ideas and tips that make you instantly expansive with this new neutral burgundy. Now, let's talk about an effortlessly chic way when styling burgundy is pairing it with all shades of gray. Like its older sister black, gray is a multifunctional neutral. So many shades of gray, from light to charcoal, pair perfectly with burgundy. In addition, Burgundy and Gray both share a richness and matte softness, so this pairing is so cohesive, intuitive, and classy even in the most casual outfit. For example, pairing a burgundy sweater with gray pants or skirts is an easy way to make you instantly chic and stylish. Another simple yet chic way is to start with a monochromatic gray base outfit from already items in your wardrobe, like a two-piece set or matching set, and layering over it with burgundy coats or jackets. By this way, this can make your everyday outfit immediately modern and timelessly elegant. If a burgundy coat isn't your style, you could go with gray bottoms, a sweater in lighter shade, and a polished burgundy bag. With this all-gray outfit, I love playing with silver jewelry strategically to feel nostalgic yet expensive. Another interesting way to embrace burgundy and gray this season is to try pairing a classic plaid pattern, such as scarf or blouse, with this outfit. I love the effect of velvet fabrics, especially in rich burgundy, bring timeless elegance and high-end feel to any outfit. You can even pair black or dark gray bottoms with white tops, and add a burgundy scarf over the shoulder, as a modern yet subtle touch for a ladylike polished look. Another simple yet chic option to wear burgundy is pairing it with beige or tan. If you want burgundy to look effortlessly chic, try pairing it with all shades of beige, from cream, off-white to camel. Instead of a contrasting black and white combo, burgundy and cream or beige pairing are also wearable like black. But a little contrast, it's an easy and elegant combination to instantly look put together. For a casual chic look, you might pair a burgundy cardigan with silk skirt, jeans, or trousers. This pairing is both sophisticated and flattering, ideal for days when you want to stand out while keeping it professional. With this color pairing, I suggest soft cream, oatmeal, or ivory for a more polished, high-end look rather than crisp white. Sometimes, simply layering a burgundy jacket is also chic enough to transform a casual look to look more modern and stylish. Another way to look incredibly chic in burgundy is playing with gold accents. You might be surprised by how many colors work beautifully with burgundy, but one of my favorites is pairing it with gold. You could absolutely go for gold clothing pieces, but the easiest and most subtle way to do this is playing with jewelry. I found gold jewelry does not only pair well with burgundy, it also works beautifully with many autumn colors, and you can wear it season after season. It might be a gorgeous pendant necklace with engraved signature details or even hold a small photo. It might also be a stunning pair of hoop earrings that you probably style them with your hair up to show them off. Or it might simply be a gold skinny bracelet and a ring, both of which add a touch of elegance and subtle pop of color without feeling flashy. Another modern and interesting way to wear burgundy is pairing with denim or blue. As you can see, a softer denim works beautifully with a striking burgundy piece. These rich tones add depth to your wardrobe and look chic when pairing jeans and a burgundy knit or elegant long coat. With this color combo, classic blue jeans, especially light wash jeans, look like a neutral color. It acts as a bridge between two very different hues to create something so cohesive. It makes the burgundy look less intense, rather than crisp white, and brings out the brightness and youthfulness for any outfit. I think the pairing of deep red and light wash denim is a particularly striking one to try this season. Instead of wearing jeans with black coats as many years ago, you might try styling your casual jeans with burgundy coats, from sleek leather to luxurious fur to look instantly chic yet stylish. Sometimes swapping out classic blue to a fellow shade in its family, like teal color, is another appealing option to try this season. Now, let's move on to another simple yet chic way to wear burgundy, is wearing monochrome outfits. While burgundy pairs beautifully with other colors, it also looks fantastic when wearing head to toe. I think burgundy is the new neutral for your autumn and winter wardrobe. Whether it's a burgundy suit, a dress and coat combo, or trousers and a sweater, wearing monochromatic burgundy can be incredibly sophisticated and flattering without feeling overdone. A tonal burgundy outfit can look amazing, but if you don't add some texture, it can feel a bit flat and boring. The key here is to play with textures and tones by layering different shades of burgundy, like a lighter top with deeper bottoms, to add dimension without overwhelming your look, to make the next darkest month feel a little brighter. I suggest swapping for burgundy pieces in supple silk, luxurious cashmere, and sleek leather. These fabrics not only feel comfy on the skin, but also make any everyday outfit immediately chic and high-end with ease. For example, these simple combinations, like cashmere against silk or leather with wool, can create visual layers that give your outfit more depth and interest. This season, I think every woman should have a burgundy skirt for autumn and winter, as it's so versatile and perfect for creating chic business casual looks with ease. For example, a burgundy leather skirt can look instantly classy and flattering, whether you pair it with a matching top and accessories. As you can see, burgundy isn't an overpowering color. It can look quite chic in an all-over outfit. If leather isn't your style, you could go for a sleek silk or satin skirt in burgundy. I love the look of satin slip skirts this season, as they're always so feminine and sophisticated, and you don't have to over-compactlift them to make them look fabulous and chic. A small trick here: when playing with this burgundy to create monochrome outfits, you should be cautious about the temperature of your burgundy pieces to avoid an Inkosevich look. Another simple way to embrace this rich-looking color is to go a burgundy long dress. Then add black shoes and a bag to complete the overall look. A polished burgundy leather dress with a sophisticated silhouette might be a perfect suggestion for the next holiday parties, cocktail party, or dressy events. The beauty of burgundy dress doesn't only capture mystique and allure. It also helps you feel more confident to express personal style without being overly flamboyant. This less is more approach is so versatile and easy to wear, but glamour and classy enough to make you feel confident and statement-making for every event on the calendar. This year, I have a plan to buy a maxi dress in burgundy in subtle silhouettes for the next year-end party, or even a romantic date night. Burgundy pants or trousers are another flattering and versatile option for the office or even a dinner date. They're just as wearable as black or navy trousers. You could also try a monochrome burgundy for the ultimate timeless option, and they'll never go out of style and help you save a lot of time every morning. I love the effect of its adding a touch of elegance to any outfit. If you're hesitant to dive into burgundy, accessories are the ideal way to embrace, offering just the right amount of flair. Of course, a head-to-toe crimson outfit is a statement in itself, but the pop of the burgundy trend makes it easy to incorporate this bold color into your seasonal wardrobe. A pair of red shoes or a swipe of red lipstick is all you need to add the right amount of dimension and color for a visually striking look. It's all about knowing when and where to make it pop. I think this classic color is ideal for adding to your accessory collection, as it pairs well with a wide range of neutral colors, including ivory, black, and gray. Moreover, burgundy accessories are an elegant way to elevate your everyday look, as this shade is so chic and easy to wear without feeling overly on trend this season. I love wearing accessories like shoes and bags in the same color palette to look more cohesive and effortlessly chic. If ankle boots aren't on your radar right now, you might consider flats instead, like loafers or kitten heels are both great options, with lingback heels. I suggest opting for pointed toes and subtle Western silhouettes for timeless elegance. Or, for something more casual, you can try a pair of trainers with just a hint of burgundy. Now, let's talk about burgundy knee-high boots. These can look absolutely gorgeous in the winter, and if you don't have a pair yet, they're definitely worth considering. These boots also pair well with skirts or dresses, or even with pleated skirts and midi dresses. A pair of sleek loafers is another perfect way to add in a bit of crimson without it taking over the entire outfit. I suggest opting for loafers in rich burgundy and adding gold jewelry to fully complement the casual chic look. For the casual yet elevated office look, all you need is to stick to well-cut basics in black or navy palettes to let your burgundy accessory talk. I think these combinations embrace a quiet luxury vibe with a playful edge. Another easy way to add burgundy to your wardrobe is pairing with a burgundy bag. Burgundy bags have a chic, sophisticated look that would look gorgeous and classy with many neutral outfits from black, navy to ivory. It might be a practical shoulder bag or handbag in leather with a bit of space. It also might be a bag with a bit of slightly glossy finish to shine, making it a great statement piece whether you're wearing black or just jeans and a jumper. If you are a fan of neutral or a true minimalist, but still want to inject new life into your capsule wardrobe in the new season, adding a bit of color accents is an easy way to create a focal point and add interest. Another interesting thing I found recently is matching your lip color to your bag is a cool, surprising way to make your look cohesive and polished. A burgundy tote bag is another smart investment piece that works well for both formal and casual looks. It pairs beautifully with all gray outfits, ankle boots, and even gray scarf. If you're looking for the most affordable way to try the burgundy, you might consider adding a sleek belt. I recently picked up a slim belt with a patent finish and gold buckle, and it's the perfect accessory for adding a subtle touch of burgundy to neutral outfits. Let's start with the most simple ways that pairing burgundy with black. When it comes to wearable autumn trends, burgundy is hands down one of my all-time favorites. Burgundy brings with it luxurious, decadent, and sophisticated vibes, but there's no denying how timeless it is as well. Black, besides being a color that goes with just about everything, is a nice choice if you have a statement burgundy piece. This combination is usually straightforward since most people have something black in their wardrobe, making it easy to pull together yet feel stylish. A common way you might embrace this color combo is black on the bottom, a black or burgundy top, and a burgundy coat or cardigan to tie it all together. This look works well for both a smart, work-appropriate outfit or something more casual. If a burgundy coat isn't your style, you could go with black bottoms, a white sweater, and a burgundy bag. When shopping for clothing during winter, I'm not only looking out for hard-working fabrics but also for a color palette that works well with the new season mood. That's why I recommend the chaser older sister of red color is deep burgundy, with ability to elevate any outfit. Unlike some of the more extravagant trends we saw on the runway, burgundy, or called Windsor wine, is one trend that feels like a safe investment. It's also a key color seen at the Spring-Summer 2025 London Fashion Week shows. The secret is that the Windsor wine color often captures the luxury of bygone eras with its rich and earthy maroon red. So this warm and full-bodied tone often feels elegance personified. If you want to elevate your burgundy and black outfits to another level, you might try swapping out your wool or cotton clothing for pieces in luxurious textures, like leather, silk, or fur fabrics. It not only adds depth and richness to your outfits, it also helps you feel like the best version of yourself with confidence effortlessly. For an effortlessly chic look, a black dress paired with a burgundy coat and black boots would look great. The black base layer outfit underneath is like a backdrop that shows of the outer layer's rich hue without fighting with it. Instead of wearing all black boring outfits this season, you might refresh your look strategically with a cozy burgundy sweater in chunky knits or cashmere for a luxurious yet relaxed feel. It might be a crew neck jumper or an elegant cardigan that is always the answer to elevating any monochromatic look. Sometimes, if you feel burgundy looks too dark, you might try adding some gray color like this polo shirt or long coat to balance the contrast and add interest to your overall look. For a more feminine touch, you also try to add a burgundy skirt to your wardrobe. This season, pleated skirts are also a timeless choice, and they look beautiful with black. For those who want to invest a bit more, a leather skirt in burgundy is always a versatile wardrobe staple. Another bonus way to wear burgundy is pairing it with navy color. Burgundy and navy might seem like an unexpected pairing, but it's actually a sophisticated combination. Navy embraces cool undertones that complement the warmth of burgundy, creating a polished look that's ideal for formal or business settings. You might try using burgundy as a bold accent against the navy's neutral base. For example, a navy dress paired with a long coat, heels, and a belt in burgundy creates a more refined and chic outfit look. You also might swap out navy trousers to dark indigo denim for a more modern and relaxed look. Burgundy and navy are beautiful combinations, but one you might find surprising is burgundy with khaki. Sage green or olive green, burgundy and khaki combos are often overlooked, but they create a stunning combination. This pairing is so versatile and works well in both casual and professional settings. For example, you might pair a burgundy dress with a khaki blazer, or a burgundy cardigan with a khaki pair of trousers to embrace understated elegance. The olive often embraces sleek, calm, and understated, while burgundy provides a refined pop of color, perfect for office settings or casual outings. For a softer, more romantic vibe, try pairing burgundy with blush or soft pink. The rich depth of burgundy against the gentle tones of blush creates a striking yet delicate balance, perfect for daytime gatherings or date nights. Finally, let's talk about nail and lipstick styling. Burgundy isn't limited to your wardrobe. Beauty also plays a big role in this timeless trend. A bold red lip and polished red nails are classic accessories on their own, and can often be the focal point of any outfit. If you want to incorporate a hint of burgundy into your wardrobe, a deep red nail polish is the simplest way to do it. Wearing freshly manicured nails in a rich burgundy shade is a lovely way to add a touch of richness and glamour into your outfits. Whether you're going for a classic black evening look or a breezy white daytime outfit, a touch of black cherry nail both adds a touch of dramatic glamour anytime. Now let's talk about burgundy lipstick for this season. Red lipstick will always be a classic, but burgundy lipstick is in a league of its own. The deep wine chocolate shade is more muted and not demanding attention loudly, but quietly and undeniably attracting it. The rich blend of red, brown, and purple hues enhances the natural warmth of deeper complexions, adding depth and dimension to any look. Nearly a century after, it became a symbol of female liberation. but today's burgundy lip color has evolved beyond its rebellious origins. Now taking rock and gothic influences for a refined edge with a touch of originality. Dark shades like burgundy also require precision for the best effect. Let's start by defining your lip contours with a pencil to maintain shape, then apply the lipstick from the center outward. Using a lip brush can help with accuracy. If you prefer a softer look, try a smudged effect by dabbing the color with your fingertips. You might consider Chanel Rouge Coco 446 Edian, Gucci Rouge Hawaii Voile 502 Eddie Scarlet, or NARS Powder Matte Lipstick 136 Get Lucky, etc.